Hi, let me show you how to create medical ID on iPhone. For that, we need to start by going in Health app, which is installed here by default. So make sure to find that app and open. Now you should see this circle icon, which is actually your profile. So tap it. And here you will see this section Medical ID. Now, all we have to do is to tap this blue button Get Started to set up medical ID. Because in an emergency, first responders can look at your medical ID to get life-saving information. So don't ignore this setting. Now we are going to start with entering name, date of birth, primary language, which could be really helpful if you are traveling abroad. And also additionally, you can add organ donation. Here you can add photo. So just tap here, tap choose photo, and choose any of your photos from the gallery. Now you need to enter your name. Also, you can add surname. Here, make sure to enter date of birth. So I'm just gonna tap here to switch to different here. Let me go through the list. And also you can change date and month. Great. As a primary language, I'm gonna set English. And now this is how it looks. By clicking done, we'll add this info to the medical ID. Now the next thing you can fill is pregnancy setting, medication, allergies, emergency context conditions, additional information, and notes. So if you have any info which you can add here, then make sure to enter this type of info. Now, don't ignore emergency context because they can receive a message saying that you have called emergency services when you use SOS feature. And your current location will be included in these messages. So you can tap to add contact, choose any person from the list, and then set a relationship with that person. For example, I'm going to choose friend and tap down to add it to my medical ID. And don't ignore this one, show when locked, because your medical ID can be viewed when iPhone is locked by tapping emergency, then medical ID. And yep, you can press and hold power button with your volume up button, then swipe right and easily access your medical ID. So make sure to turn that feature on, so the switch will be green. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.